watched my previous travel videos, you should know that every time I'm at LAX, I always get Panda Express. And there's a way to eating Panda Express that I like to do, so I'm going to show it to you guys today. First things first, you always have to get orange chicken and some chow mein and fried rice. What you do is you take the orange chicken, you dip it into the fried rice, and then you get some chow mein. And I made it to McDonald's. She brought a croissant back from Korea. Paris baguette. And then I got a cute little pizza meal. So, oh my god, it smells like corn. Here's an egg McMuffin. Got my sweet corn. It's my toy. With food. Right now, and I have a little heat pack to keep my hands warm. And we're gonna go find tonkatsu. Ramen in Harajuku. This place basically is a ramen store where you go and you order ramen from the vending machine, you take your little ticket, and then you go inside and they seat you in this like little hubby like space, and there's Ali. I hit my egg. And then you don't talk to the waiters or waitresses. They just bring it out for you and you eat in solitude because I guess this is like a forever alone type of place.
Because we hate each other.
Yeah. There's a wall of separation. Cracking the egg. Allie's cracking her egg over here.